Well, it's not completely done, but everything's, all the major components are installed. I still haven't hooked up the waterfall to the flush for the filter, and I also haven't hooked up a back flush setup either for it. But you can see it's glowing. So it's definitely, you can see there's actually a little bit of air. I don't know if you can see the bubbles. There's actually a little bit of air in there still. But in theory, that's safe water. And I installed the filter. You can see it caught a lot of crap already, so I'm going to end up replacing that cartridge pretty quick, probably, hopefully. Now that I've switched back over to the main cistern instead of I used the indoor cistern to prime it, and that ended up making it kind of a mess. But hopefully, over on the main cistern, it won't be a problem, and it seems to be mounted okay and working. So I have water again. So I did leave some of this plumbing intact. Have my pressure gauge still installed. Most of the rest of it came out. I did end up having to use the smaller of the two filters for the first stage that I had because I couldn't salvage the other one. And I also have over here, I've got a gauge to tell me how much I've used, and I'm going to eventually put that back in as well, but for today I just wanted to get it so that I could take a shower and successful mission.